Every times and then make me what you wanna. Good and times and then make me what. Every times and then make me what you wanna. Oh. Every times and then make me what you wanna. Good and times and then make me what. Every times and then make me what you wanna. Oh.
So we're here in Hawaii.
We're here at baggage claim. Abby's got her bag.
I have my bag.
Lovely.
Chris does not. Chris's bag didn't make it onto our flight, so it's coming on the Alaska Airlines flight, which is about
An hour and a half
away.
waiting to come in.
So hopefully we can grab it then and leave the airport.
I'd rather the bag was on that flight.
Yeah.
Rather than
It's still being in Seattle.
it's still being
yeah.
well, obviously, yeah. But I mean, I'd rather that my bag missed the flight instead of us.
Yes, absolutely. Morning one.
Morning one. We're in Hawaii.
We're in Hawaii. Still no bag.
Bag's in Seattle. So I have to go and buy a load of clothes for today and tomorrow. But yeah.
Just on a stroll.
Day one. What is it? 6:20 in the morning?
Wednesday.
Every times and then make me what you wanna. Oh. Every times and then make me what you wanna. Cut them down and then make me what. Every times and then make me what you wanna. Oh.
Said, oh, your bag is here, we've put it in your room. And then we get into the room and the bag's not here, so now the hotel have lost the bag and they've put it somewhere else. Oh, it's the one.
Alright, sir. So last luggage.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Cheers. Bye. It's got all the stickers in the world on it now.
Show me. All the stickers in the world. Wow.
Every times and then make me what you wanna. Good and times and then make me what. Every times and then make me what you wanna. Oh. Every times and then make me what you wanna. Good and times and then make me what. Every times and then make me what you wanna. Oh.
Day 3.
can't lay. A stranger.
Every time's gonna make me what you wanna. Good in times gonna make me what. Every time's gonna make me what you wanna. Oh. Every time's gonna make me what you wanna. Good in times gonna make me what. Every time's gonna make me what you wanna. Oh.
try some of the famous
But this place is known for their
shrimp. We're going to try some of the
Kahuka shrimp.
Kahuku shrimp. Recommended.
By a local of Hawaii.
Yeah. So I'm going to give it a go. Now we're going to head up to Halibea. Halibea, yeah. And get some shake lights.